In this session, I'm going to demonstrate how to create this part in SolidWorks. So start a new part. Right. So SolidWorks, of course, is a 3D modeling system, but it does more than modeling. You can use it for analysis, finite element analysis, and flow analysis, CFD analysis. Also, you can use it to set up manufacturing operations, to simulate manufacturing operations and generate G code that can be used in a CNC machine to produce a part. So, but in this session, I'm just going to demonstrate how to create this sketch. This is a simple sketch, and it's a symmetrical geometry. So I can just create half of the geometry and mirror it about this vertical axis. So I'm going to create this sketch on the front plane. So I will right click the front plane and then click sketch there. So I will start with a center line. So beside lines there, click the drop down and then select center line. So I'll create the vertical center line, and then I will now create the sketch with a solid lines. So you click, move, click again, move, click, horizontally, click, click, click. Yeah. So these lines I will just mirror them about this center line. So from sketch tools there, mirror entities, select mirror entities, entities to mirror. I want to mirror these lines, but because they are many lines, so I don't want to be selecting them one at a time. So I'm going to use a window selection. So I'll use a left window. So as long as a line is crossed, it will be selected. So all those lines are selected. Mirror about the center line. Then it creates the mirror. Then tick. The next thing to do here is to dimension the profile, to dimension the sketch. I'm going to use Smart Dimension. Then click the line you want to dimension, move away, click again. So the dimension for that length is 50 millimeters. 50 millimeters. The dimension for this line here is 20 millimeters. And the dimensions for this line is 10. So this side is 20. This length is 5. and this length is 25. Now some lines have been formed here, excess lines that are not needed. So like this line here, I'm going to trim it, and this line here, I'm going to trim it. So trim entities, and the first option selected there is power trim. To use power trim, you just need to click on one side of the line you want to trim, and then hold and drag across the line so it removes the line. Click, hold, drag. Click, hold, drag. Yeah, then tick. And then here you see fully defined. So the sketch is now fully defined. So all the lines, the geometric relations, they are all right, and the dimensions are also right. So then you click here at the top right hand corner to finish the sketch, and that's the sketch replicated there. So that's the end of this session.